Harbor House Suites. I would have gone in there, but they're closed on Mondays. It's kind of odd to us that so many places are closed on Sundays and Mondays, or Mondays and Tuesdays in this area. There's quite a bit of traffic. Tourist campground people, I don't know. I would have thought they'd have wanted to be open, but I guess everybody needs a day off once in a while. Anyway, this is Washburn. I don't remember what the sign said on there. It was 18 something, I think, wasn't it? Various little shops. And historical looking buildings. This is right on 13. So you can just drive right through here and check everything out, or pull over and park and get out and walk around. There's even a motel. And the lake's right back there. There's quite a few restaurants and bars. Some are open, some are not. Obviously you can see this one's open. Tons of bookstores up here. I find that interesting too. Jesse thinks it's because of their bad winters. So they ain't got nothing else to do. So they read. I like the bank. Well, used to be a bank back in 1890. That is a cool building. Now houses the Washburn Cultural Center and Museum. That is a really awesome building. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you can read that. If I can sit still, hold still. Is just kind of awesome. That's a really cool map. I like all the flags. I was just short enough to fit under that tree limb. Yep. I'll walk up here and see what this plaque says. building over there with a mural on the front of it. And I swear it looks like Elvis on the side of it. That's Elvis. So this is Washburn Iron Works. We've even got the windows painted up there. Needs a little bit of attention, starting to peel, but it's still really pretty. Some more old buildings. About to fall. Oh, that says bank at the top of it too. That used to be a bank also. Come up here on this coal dock, right? He said it's a coal dock. Our campground is right over in there somewhere. And I just about fell on my buttski. Slipping in the rocks. One of these days I'm just going to be falling and the camera's going to go flinging in the air. Hey, what's that swimming around out there? Maybe it's ducks or geese or something.
Pollen.
Sure is pretty. Alright, I think we're done in this spot, right?
I think so. I think we've explored everything.
Washburn's tiny, but it's neat. I would just say maybe don't plan on going into a lot of the shops and stuff unless you're here Wednesday through Saturday. Yeah, because it just seems like most everything's closed Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday. But I think it's worth a stop. It's a neat little town. And, I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. Love the water. So hang with us. We got another adventure coming. We're not done yet.